showing the replay of how fucking dirty I knocked him out. That's right.
Is that you're nasty, aren't you?
I'm nasty.
Nasty and dirty.
Here we go.
Now? Yes.
Okay.
You should probably sit back down.
Yeah, I really should. Alright. Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture.
Whoa.
Oh, you're getting beat up by a girl.
Jules. Oops. That girl's kicking your ass. Come on, Azad. Get nasty. Get nasty, Azad.
Come on.
Here.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
Come on. Oh, come on.
Alright, that's good.
That's right. That's right.